ready to turn those clicks into customers. Today, we're diving into Systemio to build a landing page that doesn't just look good, but actually converts first. Log into your Systemio account if you don't have one. Sign up for their free plan. The link is in the description below. Once you're in, head over to the Funnels tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create to start a new funnel. You'll be prompted to choose a funnel type for lead generation. Build an audience is your best bet. Name your funnel something descriptive, like free ebook download, and hit Create. Now, you'll see a selection of pre-designed templates. Browse through them and pick one that aligns with your offer and brand. Don't worry, you can customize it later. I'm selecting the squeeze page template. Welcome to the Systemio editor. This is where you bring your vision to life. Everything is drag and drop, making it super easy to adjust the layout. Click on the headline to edit the text. Write a compelling headline that grabs attention and clearly states the value proposition. Next, customize your opt-in form. Decide what information you need from your visitors. Typically, an email address is essential, but you might also want their name. Make sure your call to action button stands out. Use action-oriented text like download now or get instant access. Tweak the design to match your brand. Systemio lets you easily change colors, fonts, and background images. Ensure a consistent look and feel that resonates with your target audience. Don't forget to optimize your page for search engines. Go to the settings and add a relevant title and description. This will help your landing page rank higher in search results. Before you publish, preview your landing page on different devices to make sure it looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Once you're happy with everything, hit Save Changes and then publish. Your high-converting landing page is now live. Start driving traffic and watch those leads roll in.